welcome back in my video. In this video I am going to teach you about heart. Heart is an organ made up of cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles mean is that cardiac muscles are involuntary in nature. They do not perform any work in the will of an individual. They will do their work on their own. Heart is present in the chest cavity and is protected by ribs. The lower part of heart is slightly bent toward left. The size of a human heart is that of a clenched fist. Clenched fist means closed wrist. The heart of human is this only. Now let us study about the functions of each part of heart. Now let's discuss about the parts of heart. Heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are known as auricle or atrium. The lower 2 chambers are known as ventricle. Right side auricle is known as right auricle. Left side auricle is known as left auricle. And same as ventricle. This is superior vena cava. This is aorta. This is pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary vein. Then inferior vena cava, and these are valves. Now let us discuss about the function of each. The superior vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means oxygen in which carbon dioxide is rich than oxygen. So it will bring the deoxygenated blood from our head and shoulder. The deoxygenated blood will enter here and reach in the right auricle. From right auricle, it will go to the right ventricle. This structure is valve. Valve help in separating each of the chamber and it allow blood to flow in one direction. From left ventricle, the blood will pump into pulmonary artery. Then the pulmonary artery will take that deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. From lungs, the oxygenated blood is bring back through pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein will bring back the oxygenated lungs and drains it into left auricle. From left auricle, the blood will reach into left ventricle. From left ventricle, the blood is pumped into aorta, and aorta will transfer that the aorta will transfer that oxygenated blood to different parts of the body. So this is how the circulation of blood in heart takes place. Pulmonary artery and artery are two different things. Artery will carry oxygenated blood, oxygen rich blood, but pulmonary arteries will carry deoxygenated blood, as we have seen here. Pulmonary vein and vein are also two different things. Pulmonary vein will carry oxygenated blood as we see here, but vein will carry deoxygenated blood. So don't be confused in these things. This inferior vena cava is left over. Inferior vena cava will bring the deoxygenated blood from legs and abdomen. As we have learned that cardiac muscles are only present in the walls of human heart. Cardiac muscles help a heart to do systole and diastole without any tiredness. Now what is systole and diastole? Systole means contraction and diastole means relaxation. Systole, diastole. Heart pumps 72 times per minute, and this heartbeat can be checked through an instrument named stethoscope. Now let us revise this in a simple manner again. The deoxygenated blood from head and shoulder will come to the superior vein, will bring by the superior vena cava, and the superior vena cava will give it to the right auricle. After the right auricle, it will go into the right ventricle. After right ventricle, the right ventricle will pump it into the pulmonary artery. From pulmonary artery, the blood will go to the lungs for oxygenation, since it was deoxygenated up to here. After oxygenation, it will be bring back by pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein will bring back that and drains it into the left auricle. Then left auricle, from left auricle it will go to the left ventricle. The left ventricle then again pump the blood into aorta, and the aorta will transfer the oxygenated blood to different part of the body. This is all for today. We will meet in the next video. Bye. With a